Welcome to SciAps. Let me give you a quick tour. Come on in. This is the entrance lobby. Up here we have service, R&D, engineering, sales, and marketing. So let's make a quick right turn into the main entrance of the second floor for sales and marketing. Come on in. SciAps, a Spectros company. Anyway, if we walk around here, this is sales, marketing, inside sales, sales operations. So there's a lot of space here for growth. We've been growing 50% a year, which is quite fast. Now we're getting into the engineering area, mostly software engineering. It's very quiet because we're writing code. Here's our wonderful software manager, software director, Katarina. Anyway, we try to give her an office, but she won't take one. Uh-oh, look out. One of our engineers right here. Okay, this is the engineering area. Here's mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, systems engineering, some R&D work. Over in this section over here is a lot of production engineering. That's where we do a lot of our pre-production builds, like for example, our handheld Vis-NIR unit called the Vis-NIR. We're still making them in pre-production with the plan to transition them to the factory early next month. We're gonna head into the service department next. It's a very nice service department. I think Suzanne did a really nice job designing this whole facility. Over here, come on in. One of our race cars caught on fire a while ago. We thought that would make a nice sign for the coming into the service area. So here's service. They repair LIBS and X-ray units. Eventually the Vis-NIR handhelds. These are the guys that are gonna get me $600,000 or $700,000 of service this month. Now we're leaving service and we're gonna go back downstairs to the manufacturing area. All right, come on in. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make a quick left. Conference room, proud to have our Made in America flag. On the left is our stock room. On the right is XRF assembly. We do things pretty quickly around here, as you can see. This is the shipping area, shipping, receiving, including sales and service. So these guys are pretty proud of how quickly we ship. Our business is a little different. We have a lot of customers that want same day shipment. They'll call us up, they say, my analyzer broke, I need another one, can you ship it today? So we really have a focus, not always, but is stocking some of the more common types of models and be able to ship them really quick. That's just our industry. I mean, it's a little different than the big laboratory equipment. Anyway, this is all shipping and stocking. Hello, everybody. More XRF assembly. There's a few places we can't go in. That's where they make our lasers. We make all of our own lasers. If you come over here, this is where we make all of our own spectrometers. For the laser LIBS unit, we are very vertically integrated. We make our own lasers, we make our own spectrometers, but we can't go in because they're sensitive to light, dust, etc. So anyway, now we can come over here. Here's the calibration area. You got LIBS Cal, and then over here is XRF Cal. And that's it. So now if we go back this way, so now we've seen the stock room, the assembly areas, calibration areas. If we go back down here, we've just taken on a new product that's moved over from the UK. It's called the ASD products, the Field Spec, Terra Spec, Lab Spec. So we're just setting up the assembly area for that, the permanent assembly area, if you come on down here. Hey Bert, what's gonna be here?
ASD and Vis-NIR.
ASD and handheld Vis-NIR. Same with over here, ASD?
Yep.
All right, what do we say to ASD? We say, welcome to America.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. And that's the whole tour, that's the whole facility. So we started at the second floor, sales, marketing, R&D, engineering, came down to the first floor, manufacturing, and all the new ASD stuff coming over, which we're real excited about. It's a great fit for our business, and we're really happy that the guys in Malvern agreed to send it over because we're looking forward to taking it on. And that's the whole tour. Thanks for coming. Thanks for visiting SciAps.